So today we will be going live with Nikita Gandhi.
आ जरा थोड़ा क्लोज तेरे होठों से डोज मैं कमली हो गई कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता ऐसे तो मिले हूँ जैसे मिल रही हूँ इत्र से हवा.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. It's been so long since we've been planning this, and finally,
Yeah.
finally, I get to talk to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
How are
first,
you?
I'm good. I'm good. Taking care of myself. First of all,
Good.
before we talk about anything, congratulations. The song is getting a lot of love. A lot of love. It's crossed
Thank
1
you.
million.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Like all credit goes to Bharat for making such a beautiful song.
True, true. So, how did you expect this? Did you expect the song to get so much love from like during this time because you're not getting to promote that much and all? How were you expecting such
I
response?
actually was not, especially it being an independent release and being a song
Yeah,
that released in a non-film project. I really didn't expect it. It just crossed. Sorry, I'm just going to place you in a spot
yeah,
so that
yeah,
where I was before was there was too much light from outside. So
yeah, yeah.
yeah, so I didn't think it would cross a million because that's pretty cool. And I'm so glad that a non-film, like an independent project, is doing so well.
Yeah, and that too, I think indie is something that's not been experimented much with in like music, I think, in India.
Yeah,
And you
yeah,
guys have done a great job, and people are loving it because the views are so much. So that's a good job.
yeah.
So, how did this all happen? Like during the lockdown, you've like made the song during the lockdown. How did all of this happen?
Well, yeah, the song happened during the lockdown, and thankfully, like both Bharat and I, we both have our own setups at home,
Yeah,
where we work from. I also record my own music and stuff, so it was pretty easy that way because he just sent me the songs, and he was just like. He sent me the song. He said that it'll really suit your voice, and why don't you give it a go? And then that's it. I just recorded myself and sent it back to him. So it's a pretty easy
that was
peasy task.
wow. Yeah, I mean, I was like, are you guys planning to release a video as well? Because I think you in a video would look really good. I mean, that song is such a nice tone, has such a nice tone. I think
Thank
it
you.
deserves the video.
I mean, like it has a pretty cool video right now, which is of course like a mix. I
Yeah,
mean, it's something that was doable, in a lockdown situation because we couldn't really record. But I do have a lot of music that's coming out. There are two songs releasing this month. One of which has a really dope music video, which we managed to shoot in the lockdown,
oh nice.
in a really small crew of like 3-4 people. So that's what I'm like looking forward to,
Yeah,
showing you guys that video.
that's great. That's great. That's great news that you've given all your
Yeah.
fans. So before we talk about your song, more about how you've been doing, can you
Yeah.
listen to the song, please?
Yeah. You can hear me clearly, right?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
gonna use the
absolutely.
AirPods. Okay.
आ जरा थोड़ा क्लोज तेरे होठों से डोज अंग से अंग मिला के तेरी खुशबू रोज लूं तुझे पाने की आस में कितने दिल तोड़े चारे नाम जुबां पे तेरा मैं भूल गई दुनिया मैं कमली आ, आ, मैं कमली हो गई मैं कमली हो गई मैं कमली हो गई
Wow, thank you so much. This, I think the chorus Kamli Ho Gaya, it's so soothing. Yeah, true. So I also read somewhere that you said that you suggested that Bharat should send it for a movie. Like people should use it for
Yeah,
a movie.
I
Why
told
do
him
you think?
exactly what
Yeah,
you said. Like you pictured like a person you know. Like you suggested me. I think that was really sweet. But even I told him that I was like, I can really picture like a really hot actress in this song. So
Yeah.
why don't you pitch it to me? He's like, you know what? Like film music is not gonna come out, and I want to do this independently, and why not? You know, and I really admire him thinking outside the box, because I think what I suggested to him was very predictable. So
Yeah.
I think it was awesome that he decided to release the song the way he did, and it's doing so well. So I'm super happy he did that.
So, apart from this, how has the lockdown been for you? How has work affected you because of the lockdown?
It's been like pretty interesting. I think it's creatively been very productive. I've written a lot of new music, be it in Hindi, English. I've been working on an album with a friend of mine, which is gonna release, I don't know, like probably this year, I hope. The problem with independent musicians like us is that we're very like conscious of our, like of our music.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
we always like think, no, it's not good enough yet. It's not good enough yet. No, we can do better. And that's how it kind of rolls. So then, but yeah, there's a lot of new music. I released a song a few days before Kamali, which
Yeah.
was an independent song of mine. Do you want to hear a few lines of that?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. We're here to
I'm just
listen
trying
to you sing only.
Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't know why I did not prep my stand today. Actually, also I've been doing so many lives that the stand thing kind of broke.
I
So
know,
I've
I've been seeing
So I'm
your
like sitting
live
on the
every-
floor. Yeah, so it's fallen so many times that that now I'm just kind of sitting on the floor and using using
This
a
works
wall.
for us. This works for us.
Works for you? Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm gonna do a few lines of the song that I wrote called
Yeah.
Recreational Love. You are my recreational love. You are my recreational love. Who's gonna define me? Who's gonna find me? 'Cause you are my recreation
Wow.
love.
Wow, that was so amazing. Ashmita here, one of your fans, is saying sounds so peaceful.
Oh, thank you.
And Josh
Right.
is like love. So everyone's
Love,
loving
love.
it.
Yay!
So,
Thank you.
so coming
Thank you,
to this being an independent musician in this industry, like
Yes.
there has been like since a lot of things have happened, a lot of debates have come up. Do you think there's kind of the nepotism debate, insider outsider debate? Do you think that's relevant in the music industry as well?
I think it's relevant everywhere.
Yeah.
It's a phenomenon that I guess we just have to accept exists wherever, wherever it may be.
Yeah.
But I think what is important to remember is that an industry like ours, an art industry, it's like beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. So it's about how much love the audience gives. It's actually in the hands of the people if you really think about it, and that's one thing which is specific to our industry, that it's how much love you receive from people, how many people follow you. So I feel like if people feel that nepotism exists, because a lot of this has been coming from the audience.
Yeah.
And I feel that if people feel like that, then also in the hands of the people, because like if they feel that some people get preference over others because of family or whatever, then I think it's an industry, it's an open source industry, like if people decide to boycott somebody, that somebody will have no career in an industry which is purely dependent on numbers and acceptance
True.
from an audience. So I think the control lies in the people, and the moment you realize that, then it's completely up to the
Yeah.
audience of how they kind of steer things. And that's how
Yeah.
I feel like, that's where that's the beauty of the art industry. And
Yeah, that's very true. That's very true. That's very well put. But being an outsider, how would you sum up your journey till now? Like, how has it been?
having said all of that, being somebody who is not from the industry, from a family perspective, I think it's been quite a blessing. Career started accidentally. I did not set out to be a singer, and I mean, it definitely was an aspiration of mine, but
Yeah.
not something I like voluntarily followed. But it still happened, and that's also, like, if it happened to me, I'm sure it happened like that to a lot of people. So that is also the beauty of the industry, that it allows some people to experience music organically. And I truly feel like if you are true to your art, your life will, and you're sincere as a human being, not just as an artist, but as a human being, like, your life will steer you in that direction. Because I mean, if not anything else, pure karma is
Yeah.
what I would call it. But yeah.
True. That's so. Okay, I have a request. Someone, Javed
Yeah.
Pathan has requested "Tum Hi Ho" from Aashiqui 2.
I have, like, never sung that song. I'm one of those people who consciously avoid the most popular thing that's happening. Like, I have not seen Game of Thrones. I have
It's
never
okay.
performed.
It's a waste of time. Game of Thrones is a waste of time.
Oh, thanks
So-
for that. Because I don't know why I'm like that one person who's like, oh, this is popular. I've never played PUBG. So basically, anything that everybody is doing,
Yeah.
I've never done. I don't like. Well, I don't know if I should say that publicly. People might get pissed, but I didn't think it. What is that show called, Money Heist? I don't think it's as big a deal as people make it out to
Yeah,
be.
true. No, I totally agree.
So I'm just gonna leave it there.
Okay.
Do you want me to sing a few lines though, so that
Yeah,
whoever
yeah,
requests that
I don't
doesn't get
know.
mad or something? I don't even know the words of the song. Wow,
Okay,
people
okay.
are gonna think I'm such a noob.
Okay, we'll give you another song. Like one of your favorite songs that you can listen to at any point of time. Play that for us.
So since this is an Arijit song, I'll just sing a song which I've sung with Arijit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's a fair trade.
Yeah, exactly.
मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया गुजरता सा लम्हा एक दामन पर गया तेरा नजारा मिला रोशन सितारा मिला तकदीर का जैसे कोई इशारा मिला कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता क्यों है ये कैसे है ये तू बता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता
Wow, that was so nice. Thank you for making our evening so musical.
Thank
So,
you.
talking about your other projects, you mentioned you will be releasing 2 more new songs. So could you just give us some details about those songs?
Sneak peek.
Yeah.
So maybe I could sing a few lines of one, because
Yeah.
there's a song which is releasing on the 15th, but that's
Yeah.
completely independent. So by completely independent, I mean that, guys, you should probably go to YouTube and follow me so that you'll end up hearing the song. You can find me. Find the channel is Nikita. It's just that people misspell my name. It's Nikhita. And so this next one is on which I was actually editing the video right before this live.
Okay.
So it's a song on the monsoon. It's been raining in Bombay like continuously today, so the process was really fun. while editing the video. Um,
Okay.
so it's actually a bhajan which I've kind of revamped into like
Oh.
a song which might be more relevant today, and yeah, so I'm really excited to share that because people haven't really seen the like the classical or semi-classical side of
Yeah.
mine. So I'm really excited about this Barse Badariya, which is releasing on 15th of this month.
Okay.
बरसे बादरियाँ सावन की बरसे बादरियाँ सावन की सावन की मनवान की सावन की मनवान की बरसे बादरियाँ सावन की बरसे बादरियाँ सावन की सावन बरसे बादरियाँ सावन की
Wow. This was so fresh and new. Can't wait to listen to this whole song. Wow.
Yay, thank you.
That was so nice. Thank you for giving us the sneak peek. And and I hope you keep making more songs and keep.
Yes.
I hope you get a lot of YouTube followers after this song.
I'm really bad at doing this whole like follow me thing. So
Yeah.
like every time I do a live, like it's so embarrassing to be like, check out my YouTube channel.
Don't
You
worry, I'll
can
do
tell from the number of followers that I do not know how to promote my page.
I'll do it for you. Guys, go to YouTube, check out Kamli, listen to it, shower love. And please follow Nikita everywhere on all social media platforms.
Yay!
Do good songs. Also.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And I hope
a lot of love.
Yeah, there's this one person who I think you should read the comment of. He's like, hello man, this is Shraddha from Young Artists Assam. We had an interactive session the other day for the July.
For the July, yeah.
Special for me.
Oh, thank you, Shraddha. Yeah, I've been doing this like there's this like kind of scholarship program which is held by SIF called Young Artists. So I've been one of the judges on it. We just finished the advanced round of Indian music, and we have like this weekend we have advanced round of Western music. So it's been an online session, like a day, full 3 days of listening to a lot of participants. So it was really exciting because I really feel, like I don't know how to judge people on music because I think it's such a subjective, art form. But it's a scholarship program, and that's what I love about being a part of this. So I've been like, so basically whoever, wins it in each category, they get scholarships so that they can further their art. So it's not like, the winner is so-and-so. It's like, somebody gets financial aid, to pursue their subject. So I think that's a really cool thing. And I'm so glad that, I guess she's one of the participants.
So great. Okay, Mr. Yellow said, love from Kolkata.
Yay!
Said, hi.
Mr. Yellow.
Mr. Yellow, that's nice name, no?
Like my t-shirt.
You never know, he must have changed his name to Mr. Yellow.
That would be very dedicated.
I think I will let you go, but like one song I would want to listen, any one of your favorites, anyone.
Yeah, you let me know whichever you want to listen to.
Any one of yours. I would love to listen to anything that you sing.
All right. Well, I think in recent events, people have been asking a lot of Kafirana, so I'm just going to go ahead and sing it.
Kafirana was there. Like before we started the interview, one person was like, please ask her to sing that song.
Awesome. So that's dedicated to whoever asked that and all of you.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
गोदी में पहाड़ियों की उजली तो पैर को सारना आए हाय तेरे साथ में अच्छा लगे शर्मीली अखियों से तेरा मेरी नजरें उतारना हाय हाय तेरे साथ में अच्छा लगे ढलते हुए शाम ने बताया है कि दूर मंजिल तेरा है मुझको तसल्ली है ये कि होने तलक रात हम दोनों साथ हैं संग चल रहे हैं संग चल रहे हैं धूप के किनारे छाँव की तरह काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है ऐसे तो मिले हूँ ऐसे तो मिले हूँ जैसे मिल रही हूँ इत्र से हवा काफिराना सा है इश्क है या क्या है
Wow, wow. That was so nice.
Thank
And
you.
you play guitar. I have this question. I've been learning guitar, like it's online only. But
Yeah.
like, any tips you have for people who just started learning guitar?
I have a tip which is a very big disclaimer I should have made right before this live that I forgot to tune this guitar. And while doing the live, I was like, oh my god, it's so detuned, but I can't even do anything about it right now. So, a pro tip which I'm
Yeah.
saying out of my own fault is please always tune your guitar before doing a live. I realized it once we started, I was like, oh my god, it's so detuned. What do I do?
I think your voice like balanced it. That was
Yeah, that's why I was like trying to play really softly. I was like, I hope it's not as audible as it is to me.
So thank you for that. Also, thank you for that tip. That was very informative.
That was out of my own bad experience from right now.
Yeah. Thank you for that. Thank you for such a lovely chat. I hope you
Thank
pick
you.
songs and I hope I get to talk to you more.
Yeah, absolutely. It was such a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye bye.
Yes, thank you. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
Hi guys, so that was Nikita for you. If you've missed any parts of this live, she did sing Kafirana, so sorry Anushka that you missed it. But don't worry, we'll be saving this live so you can check this live and even check more videos. We have been doing a lot of interviews. We'll be coming live again. So keep checking our Instagram and YouTube. And thank you for joining in the live and take care. Bye bye.